Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. It's Roshain review. It's Rush the Discover Boss here with another exclusive. So we are on Oxford Road. Alright, so we're checking out another development. If you're new to the channel, definitely subscribe. Subscribing is free. Trying to get to 3,000 subscribers before the end of May. Still possible, guys. So all your support is appreciated. Whether you share a video, you like a video, or you comment, it will go a far way. And if you want to donate to the channel, we have PayPal and other options in the channel description and the comment as well. Alright, so that building right here is the Planning Institute of Jamaica. That's not the building we're checking out. The development we're checking out today is opposite the Planning Institute. It's right here with the blue zinc. So what we're gonna do is to cross the road to show you guys a better look. I think this is a car mart being developed. I think it's Hyundai. So they're developing their new showroom next to the ATL dealership. So this is Hyundai dealership. Alright, so it's a bit windy today, guys, so you'll hear a lot of wind noise. So this is Oxford Road. We have the Emancipation Park down the road, and we have Pegasus close by as well. So based on the information I have, this should be the new showroom for the car dealership Hyundai. If you guys have any additional information, please do provide that in the comments as well. I know a lot of persons will provide information from time to time. That's highly appreciated. So we're on Oxford Road. We're in front of the Planning Institute right now. I'll also show you guys a glimpse of the ATL car dealership as well. So it's a very big land space. It was vacant for a good while. So down that side is the ATL car mart, car dealership. And we have an apartment complex on this side. So just by glimpsing, it seems as if it will be 2 floors, a mixture of steel and concrete structure. And again, guys, feel free to share your comments. So your comments and your opinion and just your general thoughts in terms of this construction. This is a commercial development, and again this is Oxford Road, Kingston. Alright, so over here is ATL pre-owned car mart. So these are next to new. Mostly first time owners for a year or 2 years. Most of these persons upgraded to a newer model. So we have Norwood Avenue right there. So that's ATL pre-owned. Alright, so I'll show you guys a section of the ATL car mart as well, this section for new cars. So I'll go a bit closer. Alright, so right here is the VW section for new vehicles. At this ATL location you also have Audi and Kia. So that's Audi down that side. On the ATL compound is also a car rental, enterprise car rental. They also have servicing at the back. That's servicing for VW, Audi and Porsche. The Porsche dealership is in New Kingston. BMW and Mini is at a different location, but they do servicing here as well. So at the back they'll do the servicing of the vehicles. And then right here we have Ripon Road. And the pre-owned lot. Alright, so this is the opposite side of the road. We have our Trust and National Commercial Bank. That's our Trust, Edward Siaga building. Alright, so a nice Porsche right here. Alright guys, so we'll end the video right here. So again, Oxford Road, new development. Remember to leave your comments. Remember to like, subscribe and share. And as this development progresses, we will come back to take another look and definitely at the final product as well. Alright, see you on another video.